This video introduces the saturated calcium hydroxide solution and its area of application. It shows how the solution is prepared and what needs to be taken into account. If objects made of paper must be treated in an aqueous bath, it can be helpful to adjust the pH of the water using a saturated calcium hydroxide solution within the alkaline range. Paper fibers swell more strongly at a higher pH value, which facilitates the soaking out of soluble degradation products. For a saturated calcium hydroxide solution, you need demineralized water, calcium hydroxide powder, a large beaker, a petri dish, a spatula, a glass rod, a well-sealable container, and scales. When applying and using the solution, personal protective equipment in the form of a gown, gloves, and goggles must be used. First, 1 liter of demineralized water is filled and at least 2 grams of the calcium hydroxide powder are weighed. The calcium hydroxide powder is then added to the water and stirred with a glass rod. It is important that the powder is added to the water and not the water to the powder, otherwise the solution may become so hot that the glass breaks. The solution is left to stand for 15 minutes. After that, it is stirred thoroughly again and left to stand again for at least an hour, until the calcium hydroxide has settled and the solution is clear. The solution is saturated. Then the solution is filtered to remove any calcium hydroxide sediment. This can be done using either a funnel and a filter paper, or a little faster by using a water jet pump. The solution should be stored in a well-sealable container so that it does not absorb carbon dioxide from the air and thus forms water-insoluble calcium carbonate. The pH of a water bath can be adjusted to an alkaline level by means of a saturated calcium hydroxide solution. This helps to remove water-soluble substances from the paper. The solution must be filtered before used. It should then be stored in a well-sealable container.